The model MOC-20920 per LTM 11200 is the biggest and most complex roadworthy remote control crane among Technic models. The design is completed after almost 1 year of hard work by our most talented designer Jero and Ottens. It is a replica of the real Liebherr LTM 11200 crane. A normal Technic model may use 50 to 100 transmission parts in the drivetrain, while Liebherr 11200 is using as many as 471 transmission parts, including gears, racks, differentials, bearings, knob wheels, turntable wheels, rods, etc., which is extremely challenging not only for the design itself, but also during assembling. Carolyn's Liebherr LTM 11200 is licensed by Jeroen. The product number CJ-001 is an idea from Jeroen as well. C stands for Carolyn's. J stands for Jeroen. CJ serial has developed to CJ 2018 at present. The model has 7,700 plus parts as total. After counting the counterweight, the total part numbers are reaching 8,678 pieces. This requires very high standards of parts quality, including, but not limited to the strength of the gears, axles, and rods, the bearing capacity of the tires, etc. The model consists of 3 main parts: the carrier, the superstructure, and the boom. They are relatively easy to be separated from each other by detaching several axles and pins. The carrier has 4 motors to realize functions including to L motors, plus 1 XL motor for driving, steering, spreading for outriggers, and lowering the feet of the outriggers, and the other 1M motors to switch between function groups. It is worth mentioning that we modified 1 axle in the carrier to prevent excessive torque from affecting the transmission of functions. The superstructure, where cylinders and the rope-and pulley system are located, is truly reflecting how the replica of the real crane is taking place. With hundreds of transmission parts in place, the structure realizes 8 main functions including rotating itself, raising and lowering the boom, the counterweight, and the hook, raising, lowering, and rotating the arms of the operator cabin, as well as tilting the operator cabin. The third main part is a huge 4-section boom with 4 main functions, which is exactly the same as the real crane. The 4-section boom can be extended, the stabilizer arms can be spread and tilted, and supporting legs required during transporting the boom separately can be raised and lowered as well. When fully extended, the whole model can reach as high as 2.5 meters, while in driving configuration, it is 1.3 meters long. There are no pneumatic parts applied, and fully power functioned with only 8 motors, where switching between the function groups is required. To assemble the model and realize full functions might be challenging, but meanwhile it provides players with great fun of mechanics.